Here is GBPJPY and I'm on a trade on GBPJPY. So I want to show you my entry. I want to show you my entry on GBPJPY and to analyze with you here also, so you can also get some entry to enter yours. For the last trade, I entered on some trade the last week. So it wasn't last week. So I entered on a trade that was yesterday. Yeah, I entered the trade yesterday. I told you earlier that I'll be waiting for some place. The analysis you made on Monday, I told you I'll be waiting for some place to correct for the market, the price of the market to correct to some point, and I'm going to show you the point here. So it correct to the point. I missed the entry. After I missed the entry, I met it again at a kind of a point of interest again. I saw the market at the point of interest. I entered again and I made some profit from the market. I didn't come to analyze because I already analyzed from Monday, and I told you once you see the market get to this point, all you have to do is to sell. All you just have to do is to sell if the market will retest to this zone, and it does as exactly as we analyze. So we made some profit. If you should follow my analysis always, you should also be in profit. So here I'm also going to show you what I'm thinking about the market, and it's not our thoughts or our beliefs that moves the market. All we just do is to follow our edge in the market and follow our strategies. It's just to follow our edge and our strategies in the market and see what the market will bring over series of trades. So I'm looking forward to see that my trade goes well at the end of the week. I'm not looking onto a trade by trade. I'm not trading based on trade by trade. I'm looking for up to the end of the week. As you have been seeing, I've been showing the end of the week, my review on the end of the week. I've been despite the drawdowns and whatever, I've been on blues, and my account have been growing since then. At any trade from trade by trade perspective, I'm looking for from a general trade perspective. That's the whole of the week. I know what I gain. So here, this is what I'm here to show you. I entered this trade. To start with, I will be starting from here. I'm going to link the previous video of the analysis we made. So of the analysis I made and I told you to enter, I'm just going to cut the video and I'm going to place it here, so we'll not waste much time in today's analysis. I just don't want it to take much of our time. It's just kind of like a 6-minute or something video that I want to make here. So what I'm seeing here, so in case you might be asking where I'm charting from right now. So this chart is open on Go Trading. So it's Go Charting, sorry to say, gocharting.com. So if you want to use the broker, you can go ahead and use them. So I told you the market should come to some point before it retests back down. So here on this market price, here on the GBPJPY, I entered this trade on a sell because I see that the trade have retest on this point here. So let me go to the 4-hour time frame to avoid most of this noises. So because there's a lot of noise in the lower time frame. So the market have been making a lower highs and a lower low. So because of that, it has been making a lower highs and a lower low. I believe this market is still on a downtrend. The price of the GBPJPY is still downtrending. So what I do is I sell whenever I see a retest on a previous low. So this is it. This is why I'm selling on this market. So, and you might be asking, what if it goes to why I don't wait, or what if it goes to my stop loss? No, I don't just have to wait. This is what my strategies is. This is what it is. It says my strategy says once I see a retest on the previous low, I should sell. If I see a retest on the previous low, I should sell. Or if I see a retest on the previous side, I should buy. That's what my strategy says. So I'm just following my strategies. However it plays out, I don't care. But with time, I know I'm going to generate some profit from the market if I should follow every trade. So that's it. If it goes to my directions, fine. If it doesn't go, it's all fine. So that's my psychology behind this market. That's my mindset behind this market. So if it chooses to cross this zone, I'm going to show you the place I set my SL. So I set my SL that if this market should crosses above this zone, above this green line you can see, the market should just take me out. It means it's not going to my directions. It means it's not going to how I've planned it. It should go again, and if I should see a perfect entry again, I can enter. But if I should see that is going above there, it should just take me out. That's my money. It should take me out. That's where I want to stop. That's where I want my stop loss to be. So you have to just set your stop loss and accept your lose before it even comes. Just accept it before it comes. So I told you that I'm seeing a kind of a lower low, a lower high and a lower low. So I still go in for a sell. So you can see that this candle, this 4-hour candle here, this 4-hour candle, this 4-hour place, this line which I drew here, I want the market to tap in this zone. So for my SL is my take profit is not there. My take profit is not over there. So all I'm just waiting for this market now is to respect this previous zone, which it respects and fell back. So it respects this previous resistance zone on February Tuesday 18th February. So it respects it. So I'm hoping, and hope doesn't move the market, for you to know it doesn't move the market. What my strategy says is it retests on this zone, to make it equal high, and this zone is also the previous low of this one, of this high. So retesting on the previous low of this high, what my strategy says is I should sell. So I sold from this zone. So in case you might not understand why I'm not going deep into the analysis, I made the analysis already. I'm just coming to make a review of the analysis for you to know that I'm in a trade on the analysis we have made earlier. So that's just my main purpose of being here. So in case you don't know, you might check my video also. You can watch the analysis, a full breakdown of this analysis. So here I'm just trying to show you my entry and some few stuff. That's why I'm not going too deep into the video, and I don't want it to take much of our time here. So I'm just trying to take, so here is where I set my take profit, and my stop loss is above here. So I might go to my profit now and show you this is the analysis. This is what makes me enter the market. I might be in a drawdown now, and I don't know, I might be in a drawdown now. Okay, so my position there is closed. Yeah, so my SL is taken out, and that's what I was telling you. So if my SL should get to that point, this point which I was telling you, it should take me out of the market. So my SL, it reached to my SL, and it's kind of like tight. I make it very tight so I can enter again if it should get to this zone. So I've already predetermined my loss, and I know what I want to lose, and I know where I want to enter again. So I drew this line that if it should come back here, if it should take my SL, then it should retest back to this zone. Then I can still enter from this zone. So I can enter from this zone again. I'm waiting for it to correct properly to the zone. Then I see some wick, then I enter from this zone again. So this is where I set my SL. As I was telling you the analysis, you can see that I'm already out of this trade, and I'm waiting now for me to see another clear confirmation. And if I don't see a clear confirmation and it crosses above the zone and it retests, we are going to buy. Then we have changed the trend. But for now, I'm still waiting. I'm sitting on my hands here. So that's all I just want to show you in this video. I'm going to link the previous analysis to this video so you can also see. So we are down. I set my stop loss. The dollar value of my stop loss was 40. Was about 60. No, 30. It was about $43. So my dollar value was $43. So, and I've made some profit. So let me show you the profit I made yesterday. The closed position. So I opened 2 trades. So I'll show you the profit I made yesterday. So this is the profit I made yesterday from the GBP JPY I told you about. I told you I entered the trade yesterday, so I made profit from it, and I would love to show you. So I'm just looking forward to the end of the week. By the end of the week, then we'll know what we gain and we'll know what to lose. So for now, this is unrealized loss and unrealized profit. So this is the profit I made yesterday. So this profit now, and the one for the crude oil I showed to you. So at the end of the week, I'll just sum up everything and know what to have. So guys, thank you for watching this video. This is all I have for you here. Just want to show you my entry and what my thought is toward what my mindset is toward this trade and why I entered the trade. So guys, I love you. Peace.